Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Ram Krishna Pradaka Srivasari Om Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Shri Ram Nityam Giyatam Muda Chintatam Bhakti Chaitanya Charitamrita जीवा नहीं जाने के हो सुनिते से हो कि अद्भुत चैतन्य चरित कृष्ण उपजीवित प्रीति जानवे रसेर रीति सुनिले हरे महान सनातन गोस्वामी जब
When Sanatana Goswami inquired from Mahaprabhu that who am I and why do these threefold miseries bother me, I am not able to understand it. I am very learned and expert in the worldly affairs, but I am little weak in the spiritual matters. Then Lord Chaitanya told him that you know everything absolutely. You are actually not suffering from the threefold miseries. It is the nature of a sadhu. A sadhu always keeps on listening time and again so that the subject matter is fully confirmed and solidified in his heart. Those who have some desire to awaken their knowledge of the Absolute, then they will very soon reach perfection. They will get all what they desire. You are eligible person to preach of Hari Bhakti. I will tell you all these things about Hari Bhakti. Then he started that the real identity of a living entity is to be a servant of Krishna. Just as the ray of sun is non-different but different from sun. The real identity, constitutional position of a living entity is to remain the servant of Krishna. But the Mayavadi philosophy says that a devotee is a servant as long as he is away, his knowledge is not awakened. But when knowledge is awakened, he becomes one with the Absolute. That is wrong philosophy. The living entity is actually the marginal potency of the Absolute Krishna. They have a choice to go towards spiritual realm or to remain in the material
क्या
region.
होता है, दो किस्म का जीव बन जाता है।
Therefore, the two kinds of living entities are formed. Those who desire to enjoy the sensual objects, they become Maya Baddha, illusioned living entity. They are bonded in that material condition. In Prem Vivarta Grantha, Jagadanand explains it that the moment the living entity desires, the same moment the Maya, the illusory energy, catches hold of the living entity. Who will it catch? The person who would go to enjoy his senses.
वो स्वभाव में नहीं, कैसे नहीं कर सकता है?
कौन नहीं कर सकता?
अपने कुत्ता पालते हैं, ये कुत्ता को भोग करेंगे, लेकिन आप
Actually, you do not do anything in this world. You cannot enjoy anything in this world. You keep a dog so that the dog shall serve you, but actually you engage yourself in serving the dog. You are cooking chapatis and putting desi ghee over it so that the dog can have nice food. And I have also seen personally that there was a Mataji who used to make sweaters for the dog. So who is the servant, the dog or the person who keeps the dog? Therefore it is mentioned the living entity is actually the servant of Krishna and not the servant of Maya, illusion, illusory energy. Just as the ray of the sun and the spark of the fire, Krishna has three types of natural energies, potencies. One is the Maharaj was telling about the spark of the fire and ray of the sun. They are actually one with the sun and the fire, and at the same time they are different. Similarly, living entity is one and at the same time different from the absolute Krishna. Fire remains at one place, but its light, its illumination is spread all over. Similarly, the absolute, supreme absolute Brahma, its effulgence, its light is illuminated all over the world. That means the energies of the absolutely are vastly spread all over the universe. And it is Krishna has three prime potencies, energies. One is the Cheta Shakti, the spiritual potency. The second, the living entity potency, and the illusory potency. Jeev Shakti means Tatastha Shakti. The illusory energy is also called Bahiranga Shakti. Chit Shakti means internal potency, Antaranga Shakti. And they gave evidence from Vishnu Puran.
क्या है? विष्णु शक्ति है परा, क्षेत्रज्ञ और परा।
Vishnu has
शक्ति माया शक्तियाँ
its energies as
इसी को एक तीन रूप से एक प्रमाण दे दिया।
it is given,
अर्थात श्री चैतन्य
an evidence is given herein.
सर्वत्र प्रमाण दिवे
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, whatever he told, he gave evidences along with it.
तुम्हारा भाती प्रमाण है तब भी पुराण वचन से इसका
Despite the fact that whatever he spoke was an evidence in itself, but still he showed through his conduct that he used to give evidence from the scriptures. Thus it is mentioned in Vishnu Purana.
और ज्ञान गोचर जतो ब्रह्मस्तास्त सर्गज्ञ भावसक्तय भवन्ति पदं श्रेष्ठ पावश्च चतुर्श्रुता। जो समस्त भाव का अचिंत्य जो हमारा चिंता का अतीत है, अचिंत्य ज्ञान गोचर ये सब ब्रह्म में वर्तमान।
The energies, the potencies of Brahma are inconceivable.
सब सृष्टि आदि भाव शक्ति रूप से क्रिया करती है।
According to his, the whole universe is being run by his energies.
जैसे अग्नि का
Just as
स्वतःसिद्ध शक्ति है ता उष्णता
the natural energy of fire is heat. Therefore, the energies of Lord, the potencies of Lord are all natural.
इंग्लिश में बोलता है एक्सोमेटिक ट्रुथ, सदा सिद्ध, स्वयं सिद्ध।
There is no evidence required to establish this.
ज्यादा है तो प्रणाम करना पड़ेगा।
The fire has heat and light.
सूर्य का किरण है इसको प्रणाम करना पड़ेगा।
The sun has its rays. Do you need to prove it?
नहीं करना।
Do you need to give evidences for it? They are true, universal truths.